office for like 24 hours. Dumandiw yung kukudiw. Yep, oh my. The 24 hours starts now. Okay, let's take a selfie right quick. Let's take a mig. Oh, we forgot the limited edition hat. Oh, this is for Hey guys. No. Oh, you're not getting our cell phone. Yeah. Oh, the price is not cash ready. Kuya, selfie! Selfie! Tinge! Selfie!
Hey!
Hey, hi! Say hi to my friend, Johan. Even though it's not gonna call him. Say hi to the viewers, Johan. Say hi to Johan. Say hi to Johan, even though Johan's not here. I'm gonna send this video to you. Hey! If you don't know, this is my classmate. And this is I also send the Pokemon to you. And do you know what Johan looks like? Wait, I'm gonna do This is him. This is him. Swipe taka. This is him. This is him. Oh, someone replied to me. Okay. So let's hang out a little bit. 16 minutes later. 1,000,000 minutes later. What the hell is your hot dog? Oh! Who's sponsored of this video? Which sponsored of this video? Lazada. Do you know where I got my Pokemon cards? Lazada. Did you say you do? Guys, you can buy any stuff. You can search anything. Like your favorite Pokemon. This is like that. And you can buy it. Just purchase it. Oh. Just purchase it. And let's go back and go. And let's go back into the video, guys. So this is where I got my Pokemon cards. And it's also arrived. Let's play with Jax, Kuya. Let's play with him. I forgot. Yo, it's a baby. Gonna make a diamond play button. Make a diamond play button at the end of this video. So I wish this one I didn't make it. This is wisdom. That plays Sprunky, guys. That plays Sprunky. Gotta play Sprunky now. Nope, not there. I'm gonna watch some Sprunky vids. Wanna watch with me? Only at my phone. This only thought it was my Bobo's phone. I thought it was my bro's phone. Hey, what's up, guys? Let's take a little bit. Guys, this is only 9 for shorts. Kakalimutan. 6 hours later. "23 hours later. Oh wait, no. 1 hour left. 1 hour left. Yay! Only 1 hour left, guys. It's only 1 hour left. Eh, 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 eh. 6 million hours later. Minutes left. Guys, it's only 3 minutes left. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oh my god. Eh. Ooh, ah, eh, eh, eh. Ooh, ah, eh, eh, eh. Let me wait. Be careful with scissors though. There's my trading cards. Oh, I forgot Mr. Sun. Wait. Here's my headphones. I can listen to some music. Let's listen to some music. I am just playing Snapchat. I'm trying to allow for because I think it's gonna be off soon because I have no longer choice left. Wait, I'm doing it now. Skibbity lizard, skibbity lizard. Wanna hear some music? Oh my god. 2 minutes left. I know this is like 10 minutes video. Yeah, it's not actually a 24 hours, but this is just for the video. It's not actually 24 hours, it's just for the video. I don't want this to be 24 hours long because they cannot allow me to post this vid. So let's listen to some music. That's why I'm doing this. Because, oh, because it might turn off. It might sleep like it always. What is wrong with it? Stay, need to stay. Days are cold, hearts are the saints we see are made of gold. In my shoulder, on we have this is my kingdom come. This is my demon's heart. This is my demon's heart. This is my demon's heart. It's where my demon's heart is. Lights fade out, all the sails cross. Dark your great master, cool out, rescue me. Don't wanna let you down, but I am held back. No, this is all for you. Don't wanna have to. No matter what we bring, we still are made of green. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. This is where my demands heart. This is where my demands heart. My demands heart. My demands heart. They say it's what you make. I say it's up to fate. Woven in my soul. I'm keeping as you go. Your vision so bright. I wanna save that light. I can't escape this now unless you show me this is a mighty man's heart. 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 Wait, it's not something. Haven't even written yet. Horsemen say unicorn rock. Hi guys, people bored. Let's play, kuya. Let's play. Oh, okay. So let's play with Jack. Let's play with him. Let's play with him now. And Jack. Let's play with him. Let's play with Scott. Brothers forever. Brothers forever. Like in the moment we became partners forever. I'm sure the 24 hours is over now. I think the 24 hours is over. 20. Yeah, might be over. Almost over now. It's probably 1 minute. How I can get my dad's AirPod before he kills me. And guys, download Lazada. What are you waiting for, guys? It rained. The 24 hours is over. Take that. Yes, go. Subscribe to my vids. And see you in the next video. Please, if you want more challenges like this, then subscribe to me, to Christop's Corner, and I'll end this video and stay happy. Stay happy. Oh my God. Bye bye, guys.